Hi, this is Philip from Possible Clothing giving you some Fashion Tips 101. Now this is not 100% related to fashion, but while you're in a fashion area and your outfit is on point, you gotta make sure that your mouth is also fashionable. And to do that, I suggest you eat candy, you know, or gum or something, but candy's good because people can relate to candy and like, oh, can I have a piece of candy? And you give a pretty girl a piece of candy, it's a good trick. 101.
Hello lovelies, it's Alana Webster here and this is Ask Alana. We've got a question from Jennifer in Pleasantville, New York. She wants to step into the neon trend, but doesn't want to look like a highlighter. I understand, Jennifer. Neon can be a bit of an aggressive trend, so I recommend to ease into it. My first recommendation would be something that you can take on and off, like this coral scarf here. The color is called Radioactive, which makes it even more exciting. It's lightweight and doesn't take up a lot of room in the purse. If you're feeling like you're a little too bright or you're feeling a little bit uncomfortable, you can always take it off and ditch it, and it's like the neon wasn't even a part of the outfit. Or you can keep it and work on it some more. And because it's a lightweight, breezy, breathable fabric, it can take you from season to season to season. Just don't forget to wash every couple of uses. Second option is neon jewelry. This is a less aggressive trend, but is still super fun. I chose two types of necklaces. One is a statement necklace, and it's equal parts neon as well as a muted silver. A little bit of neon in there goes a long way, and it'll make any outfit pop. The statement necklace hangs low, so realize that it will be a focal point. A little bit of neon in there goes a long way, and it'll make any outfit pop. The second style is more of a choker style, closer to the neck. This sits closer to the face, so the colors will really brighten up your complexion. The colors in this are a light aquamarine blue and just ever so slight touches of neon green. Just enough to say, hey, that girl is styling. Another option is shoes. Shoes are great, they're on your feet, so they're not the focal point of the outfit. If you don't want to pull too much attention, stick with a simple neon shoe, no patterns. I chose two types of shoes. The first is this Oxford. The neon is just on the bottom at the sole, so it could be lost if you're walking and shuffling around your day. And up top on the laces. Really simple, just a touch of neon goes a long, long way. And it's paired with a neutral gray color, which means that you can pretty much pair this shoe with outfits in a neutral color scheme. Better yet, if you do a gray or a white or a tan or a beige, the neon would really pop and really accentuate the outfit. Or you can do a full neon shoe. Again, try a solid color since neon is aggressive and screams, look at me already. This shape of shoe is super simple and easy. Most designers will design a shoe just like this. It's a basic pump with a slight pointed toe and just enough of a deep cut to get a little bit of toe cleavage, which is totally on trend. Simple, easy, classic cut. When you're dealing with neon, you want to keep everything else as classic and simple as possible. That way you don't look too trendy or too club kiddie. Another option are neon touches on clothes. On this dress here, we've got a neon Peter Pan collar. Super cute and feminine, but just a touch of neon. Or, if you're feeling a little bit bolder, you can go for a neon skirt. This is a lace neon skirt with a little bit of an underlay, which is also neon as well. Pair this with a simple top, tank top, or sweater. And again, keep the shoes simple. And finally, if you're feeling up to it, cover your whole bottom half in neon. Super fun. Neon skinny jeans are all the rage, and I don't think they're going anywhere anytime soon. Try a simple straight leg, not a wide leg. Wide leg can get a little bit parachute panty MC hammer. We don't want that. This is a basic straight leg jean, or you can add a little bit of flair with zippers on the ankles. I hope this helps you, Jennifer. And please, don't be afraid of neon. It's a great trend. And just remember, you can pull off any look as long as you add a healthy dose of confidence. I'm Alana Webster, and if you've got any fashion questions for me, just email me. I'd love to hear from you. Email me at alana@smhollywood.com. Or if you're looking for any fashion inspiration, check out my blog, www.renegadeoffun. Take it easy. You know what style I've always wanted to learn? A fishtail braid. But I never got around to it, until now. We've got resident hair ninja Katie Lacina here to teach us how to do the perfect fishtail. What's going on, Katie?
We're gonna braid some hair.
Let's do it.
Okay, so I'm starting from a ponytail base, and this is much more simple than you probably think. I'm just gonna split your hair into 2 sections. And all I'm gonna do is take a tiny section from the right side first and cross it over to the middle, joining it with the left section. So then I'm gonna take a small section from the left, cross it over to the middle, and join it with the right section. And literally, you just repeat. Small section from the right to the middle, small section from the left to the middle, all the way down. And if you get bigger sections, it's a little bit chunkier of a fishtail. If you take teeny tiny sections, clearly teeny tiny fishtail. So depending on your skill level or what kind of look you're going for, you can vary it up. It's been really popular, especially for spring runway shows, to do a really messy fishtail. So get the basics down, and then you can kind of go back and loosen up some sections. If you have a little bit of flyaways happening, it all works.
What's better, a chunky fishtail or a skinny fishtail?
I think it depends on what kind of look you're going for. A chunkier one, I think, is a little more bohemian, a little hippie style. A really nice tight fishtail could be a little bit more classy. You could do bridesmaids hair that way. I even had a groom in a wedding with very, very long hair, and I convinced him to let me fishtail.
How did it turn out?
It was beautiful. It was a windy day, and it really kept his hair under control, but it wasn't super fussy looking or super girly. He actually looked pretty regal, and I think that surprised him a little bit.
Nice, good to hear.
I'm gonna start taking smaller and smaller sections as I get lower down, just because you have a little bit less hair as we go down, and the fatter sections sometimes end up looking more just like a braid. So to make sure we keep that fishtail look, I'm gonna make my sections a little smaller as we go. But this is coming together pretty quickly. If you can braid hair, you can absolutely fishtail braid hair.
If someone's doing this at home, what should they look out for?
I would say a little bit of product in the hair before you start can help control any little flyaway bits that happen. A pomade or a creamy product, just smooth through the ponytail first, can kind of help with some of the little straggly bits. I think that's good. I'm just gonna take a small elastic that will disappear into your hair and secure the bottom. And then again, I like to hide my elastics whenever possible. So I'm gonna take a small section, wrapping it around, and then pinning upwards into the braid. Just for that finishing touch, so it looks sort of, how did she do that? There we go, all set.
Awesome. Well, now I know how to do a fishtail, and I'm ready for spring and summer. If you want the Hair Ninja to come and aid your hair, go ahead and check out her website, www.katielacina.com, or her Facebook page, Katie Lacina Hands. Take it easy. Thanks for hanging out with me. That concludes this edition of Hollywood Makeover. I'll see you next time.